Hi guys, it's Miss McLean, and today we're going to be talking about exponents. So grab your notebooks and let's get into it. Exponent indicates repeated multiplication of a number and is placed at the top right of the number. Below is an example of 4 raised to the power of 3 or 4 to the third power. The number 3 is the exponent and the number 4 is called the base. In its expanded form, 4 raised to the third power, or we can also say this as 4 cubed, is written in this expanded form as 4 times 4 times 4. Number is raised to the third power, it is said to be cubed. -5 to the third power, or -5 cubed, is written as -5 raised to the third power. The base is -5, and the exponent is 3. The exponent indicates that 3 -5s need to be multiplied. When we multiply 2 -5s, remember when it comes to our integers, 2 negatives equal a positive. So right here we will have positive 25, and then we will take this positive 25 and multiply it by the -5 right here. And then your final answer will actually be a -125. So remember, when it comes to dealing with exponents, remember we also have to use our rules of integers when it comes to breaking down our exponents. Remember to pay attention to signs when evaluating exponents. If a negative number is raised to an even number, the result will be positive. If a negative number is raised to an odd number, the result will be negative. Take a look at these examples and let these problems out. I'll give you a few minutes and see if you can work on these on your own, and then I'll come back with the answers. All right, let's go over these answers. If you got 3 raised to the second power is equal to 9, then you are correct. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Great. Let's look at example 2. 9 raised to the second power, or 9 squared. If you got 81, which is 9 times 9, then you are correct. Let's look at this example. This was 78 raised to the 0 power. What did you get for that answer? If you said 1, then you are correct. Example, 16 raised to the first power. If you got 16 for your answer, then you are also correct. Let's talk about negative exponents. A positive exponent indicates repeated multiplication of the base number. However, a negative exponent indicates repeated multiplication of the reciprocal of the base. Reciprocal is just, remember, when we take a fraction and just flip-flop it. So in this case, 2 over 3 is simply 3 over 2. As it's written. Any number that's a whole number is simply written as a fraction of 4 over 1. If I do the reciprocal of that number, it's going to be 1 over 4. To change a number with a negative exponent to one with a positive exponent, change the base number to its reciprocal and then make the exponent positive. Okay, so let's take a look at this example. We have 2 raised to the -5th. We need to do the reciprocal of this base number, which is going to get us 1 over 2 raised to the 5th. Then we simply evaluate this by going 1 is over 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Our final answer will give us 1 over 32. Remember, when evaluating negative exponents, remember to always change the base to its reciprocal to make the exponent positive, and then you can evaluate. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop a comment below. Until next time, class, keep solving, keep shining, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.